What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to access the macro mode for the Samsung S22 Ultra. So the S22 Ultra is one of Samsung's most feature-packed cameras yet, and one of the nice, less marketed features of the S22 Ultra is the ability to take very up-close, detailed shots of objects, much like macro photography. It's not a marketed feature, so it's actually kind of hidden away, and you can actually access it through the default camera app. So to access the macro mode, what you want to do is open up the camera app. From there, you want to make sure you're on one-time zoom. And if you're on one-time zoom and you move close enough to an object like this pen here, you'll notice these two dots at the left of the screen here. If you tap on these two dots, what you'll notice is that it turns on Focus Enhancer. Focus Enhancer is the macro mode, and it allows you to get really up close to the object without distorting the focus. So as you can see here, I'm very close to this pen, and it's able to capture extraordinary detail when it's this close to the pen. So once again, what you want to do is open up the default camera app, go to one-time zoom, and then you want to get close enough to your object so you see these two dots here. You want to tap on the dots to make sure Focus Enhancer is on, and you can take shots and take very close macro-like photography shots. So there you have it, everyone, just a quick and dirty tutorial on how to access macro mode on the Samsung S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.